Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So I wanted to take the opportunity to take a look at the daily chart as well, take a look at the movements, and this is a bit of a nebulous chart. It's not a very bullish chart, I have to say, just looking at the price action. The reason is, there's two reasons. The first reason is the move up into 2018 high was just a three-wave move. It's basically you can count it as an ABC structure. Whenever you can do that, it creates a bit of a nebulous chart, a bit of an unclear chart, because to be honest, all of this could be a triangle, or alternatively, this could just be a bearish ABC structure and we're heading down in an impulse, even though it doesn't really look like it, but it's certainly a possibility, especially also because the move up here was not a new all-time high in 2021, and then people say it is related to the court case. But I don't think it is, because IOTA and XLM and a few others have the same chart structure. So, you know, it's just sort of, I'm still counting it bullish until proven, until the chart proves it is indeed bearish. But just know that this is a bit more of a unclear chart than others, yeah, because it has been moving very much in corrective structures. 3 waves up, you know, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. So it's a bit of an unclear one without a very clear long-term trend. So I mean, it's not as clear as, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum or so. Now, just want to show you I'm counting it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, right? So the first 1-2-1-2, but that would be invalidated if price breaks below the 12-cent level, which is the wave 2 low of March 2020. Now, the movement now of the 2021 high, I'm counting it as a WXY complex correction. So we have an ABC structure in wave W. I have a 3-wave move in wave X, and I have an A, B, and a C wave still to come in the Y wave. So that means the idea is that we're currently in the Y wave. The Y wave consists of an A, B, C structure. I gave you a key resistance level yesterday, and we've been talking about that actually for a week or so. That level was reached, the 54.7 cent level, and price got rejected. But it wasn't rejected in a way that I would say it's very, very bearish. So the trend is still up. So that means probabilities are high that this resistance will break. We're going to take a look at that. So the idea is, in the most imminent bearish count, that this was a wave 1 down, this was a wave 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down. So this is the level that decides between direct sell-off and a larger bounce to the upside. That larger bounce does not necessarily mean it's very bullish. The bullish count would be that off the December or January low, we moved up in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2. This is another 1-2 setup, and we should now start a third wave rally to the upside. This would be the very bullish count. However, there is if we break above that 54.7 cent level, it doesn't necessarily mean bullish. Without a problem, this B wave could extend higher. Without a problem. The reason is that I find this move to the upside still corrective, yeah, especially due to that 1-2-1-2 setup, which could easily be an ABC. This B wave can very well extend, because if I measure the retracements of the A wave to get a target for the B wave, it hasn't even maxed out what it can do, right? It hasn't even reacted to the 50% retracement. So as long as it stays below 78 cents, it can just be an extension of the B wave. So just know that, okay? And that's why the situation is rather unclear. A B wave can be high, a B wave can be low. You just need to know that. And if you know the pivot points, then this helps you a lot to navigate this market. So the pivot point here is 54.7 cents, and as long as price holds below it, a move down is favored and very likely. But as I said, there is no trend reversal signal up there, so it could very well be it pushes higher. If it does that, it will move first to 58.5 cents, and then it could move up quite quickly actually, because there isn't much structural resistance left. So this is going to be interesting, but as I said, it would not necessarily be bullish. It could just be an extension of the B wave, or this 1-2-1-2, which I still can't really believe, because the second wave 1 is not a clear impulse, and the second wave 1 is much longer than the first wave 1, which is not ideal. Now let's zoom into the detail here. We talked been talking about it now for a few days, that in this move to the upside of the 8th of May low, we could count an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. With yesterday's push to the upside to 54.7 cents and the reaction, I can actually count 5 waves up complete in the C wave, which means basically this move up could be finished. Now, it doesn't mean it is finished, but it means it could be finished, and we now need to be watching for a reversal. But without a clear reversal signal, I can't say for sure, right? So we've got the situation that the move to the upside is currently still guided by the trend line. So as long as the trend line is holding, the trend is up and it can easily break above. So it's a very important decision point. If we break below the trend line, that would be a very first early signal that the top is in. A better signal would be a break below 50 cents. And then I think we're heading down. But as I said, the trend is still up. So we've been talking all week about, okay, it can go higher into resistance. I think there was never a trend reversal signal, and we still haven't got one. So this is the pivot point. Understand that's the pivot, and above that it would unlock prices first to 58.5 and then into the 70-cent region. But yeah, we're still holding resistance, but it just doesn't make any impression at the moment. It's going to come down, but the break of the trend line would be the first signal. If it's turning around, this would be the time. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.